Several hands-on pictures of the Google Pixel 8 Pro seem to have been released by a user in Vietnam. The Pixel 8 Pro is set to be released at an event on October 4th, and Google has already revealed a lot of information about their 2023 flagship smartphone. The Google Pixel 8 Pro has been shown in a few hands-on photos posted to Facebook and X Twitter, and it is available in the color Obsidian Black. Numerous Pixel 8 leaks, some of which were even from Google, have long since revealed the design of the Pixel 8 Pro, giving enthusiasts a decent sense of what to anticipate on October 4th. In this instance, the Google Pixel 8 Pro's front and back are revealed, and the settings shown on the display seem to corroborate that this is the genuine article. Unsurprisingly, the Pixel 8 Pro's back displays the recognizable camera bar, which houses three sensors: a 48MP ultra-wide camera, a 48MP telephoto camera, and a 50MP primary camera. On the front is a 10.5MP selfie camera as well. The Pixel 8 Pro live shots make it obvious that the back has a matte shine while the front gives the user a plenty of screen real estate owing to some very thin bezels. The Google Pixel 8 Pro should come in sky blue and porcelain hues in addition to obsidian black. Price estimates for the Pixel 8 Pro range from $899 to £999. It's frustrating that the Pixel 8 Pro is the only device that can use the Pro Controls function. These kinds of manual controls are typical on other devices. Since the technology in the ordinary Pixel 8 camera is quite comparable to that in the Pro model, I am unable to think of any technical reason why it should be excluded. It's terrible that the basic Pixel 8 device now seems to have artificial limitations that might mislead unsuspecting purchasers. On October 4th, though, we'll know for sure. Is it still worthwhile to wait for the Pixel 8 Pro given the alleged limitations of the standard Pixel 8 model? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.